Hello guys. Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Tech Programming CSIT, and in this video I'm going to tell you about some of the best computers or the laptops which you can prefer if you are a coding beginner and if you are trying to get a computer. So I'm going to recommend you top 5 computers which you can buy to do coding, web development, app development and stuff like that. So let me proceed now. So in this video, I've already tell you about that. I'm going to tell you about the top 5 laptops which you can prefer to buy if you are trying to pursue coding and you are doing jobs like app development, or basically you just want to learn coding, or you are just a beginner. So these 5 laptops would be really good for your you to start. So let's go. So first laptop which comes is HP Pavilion X360. So this is the laptop which I am also using. This is the current laptop. On this I'm making the video, and I also edit all the videos on this laptop. So this laptop is really good. It has Windows operating system. Price is around 60K, but it increases or decreases on the basis of specifications. Like if you are trying to get higher or the better processor like i9 Core i9, then the price would be around 1 lakh rupees. But if you are using just or trying to get the basic processor like i3, so then the price would be comparatively lower. So this based upon the specification, it is basically. Now processor, you can get i3, i5, i7, i9 processors for this laptop. You can get the RAM up to 16 GB. You can also get 8 GB and a 4 GB version also. I am using the 4 GB version right now, and its weight is around 1.71 kgs. Okay, now this was number 5. Now we are getting on number 4. Number 4 is Surface Laptop 3. Surface Laptop 3 is Microsoft's computer. It has Windows operating system. Its price is around 95 Indian rupees, and it comes in two processors, Intel i7 and Intel i5, and you can also upgrade RAM up to 16 GB, and its weight is around 1.2 kg. And I would say that this is really light as compared to the other laptop which we are going to see. And this laptop is a really good computer if you are a beginner and if you want to learn coding and try and want to make it as a career. You can also do those kind of stuff like app development, web development and those kind of things. So that would be really helpful on this computer. Now number 3 is Dell XPS 13. This is one of the best computers which you can get for doing coding or app development, because this computer is really strong. This is one of the best computers of the Dell company. So it comes with operating system of Windows operating system. This price is around 83,000 Indian rupees. It comes with processors Intel i5, and I think they are Intel i7 and i9 also. I have not mentioned it in here, but the RAM comes with 8 GB to 16 GB, or I think you can also get 4 GB RAM also, but 4 GB RAM would not be sufficient. You should go for at least 8 GB of RAM, because I am using 4 GB of the RAM, and that is not really helpful. It makes trouble for me sometimes when I work, or sometimes I do multitasking or work, so those kind of things. So that would be really great if you have 8 GB of the RAM, and its weight is around 1.3 kg. It is really lightweight. Okay. Number 2, MacBook Air M1. And I want to tell you one thing. The one thing is that if this laptop doesn't have had the M1 chip, I was not going to add this laptop in the list. Since this laptop has the M1 chip, and I watched the whole whole session in which Apple announced the MacBook Air M1, Mac Mini with and MacBook Pro with M1 chip. I saw that, and those numbers really blew up my mind. So that's how I'm adding it in this list, because the M1 chip is really powerful. And I would say that if you are if you want to buy a laptop for doing coding, even for gaming, it is really strong laptop. It is completely fanless. And now let's talk about the specifications. It has Mac OS. Its base base price is 93,000 Indian rupees. It has processor as M1 chip, and RAM is upgradable to 16 GB, but you can also get 8 GB. And again, if you are increasing the specifications, then the price would also increase. I'm just telling you the price of the base models, and its weight is around 1.3 kg, just like the Surface Laptop 4. Then it is also really lightweight and it feels good. It has metallic body, so it is one of the best laptops I would prefer. If someone comes to me and just says that Windows or Mac, I would say that at this point of time, Mac is on the rock. Mac is rocking completely because of this chips, because of this single chip, because this single chip has changed the whole industry. Okay, so that's why. And the number one, I would say, I want to know that what you guys think is going to be the number one laptop. Just write the write down in the comments below. And now, 3, 2, 1, go. Number one is MacBook Pro M1. Yes, MacBook Air M1 is sufficient if you want to do coding, app development, web development, and etc. things. But MacBook Pro is beast because it has fan. So what really happens is the main difference between MacBook Air M1 and MacBook Pro M1 is that MacBook Air slows down the performance if it gets heated up, but it has a fan. So even though it gets heated up, it has the ability to maintain its performance. That's why it is stronger than the MacBook Air. And if you have a budget of what 115,000 Indian rupees, then you can or you should go for this laptop because this is really strong computer, and it is just a bit heavier than the MacBook Air. It has Mac OS and it has processor of M1 chip. You can upgrade RAM up to 16 GB and weight is about 1.4 kg. So these were the top 5 laptops which I would prefer to you as to do coding and doing basic tasks like computers. But if I have forget any of those computers which you think are the best, then you can comment down below, and you can also comment down below on which topic you want the next video, and we will meet you in the next video. And hopefully you loved the video, and if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. That would be really helpful for us because we are just starting our YouTube journey. And if you will subscribe and will like our video, will comment on us our video, then that would be really motivating for us. So thank you guys, and we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.